In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set custom margins in Microsoft Word. If you've ever needed precise control over the white space around your text, maybe for printing, binding, or meeting a formatting guideline, custom margins are the way to go. I'll walk you through the exact steps, explain what each option affects, and share a few helpful tips so you get the result you expect. First, open your document in Word. You can use an existing file or a new blank document. The process is the same. Once your document is open, look toward the top of the screen and go to the Layout tab. In some older versions of Word, this may be labeled Page Layout, but the tools you need are in the same place. On the Layout tab, find the Page Setup group and click Margins. You'll see a list of preset options like normal, narrow, or wide. These are convenient, but if you need exact measurements, choose Custom Margins at the bottom of that drop-down. This opens the Page Setup dialog box where you can fine-tune everything. Inside the Page Setup dialog, look for the fields labeled Top, Bottom, Left, and Right. These control how much space Word leaves between your text and the edges of the page. Type in your desired values for each side. You can enter whole numbers or decimals, and Word will apply them in your default measurement unit, usually inches, though it may be centimeters depending on your settings. If you're preparing a document for printing or binding, remember that increasing the left or right margin creates extra space on that side, which can be useful for hole punches or stapling. Also keep in mind that printers often have non-printable areas near the edges, so extremely small margins may be clipped by some devices. After you've entered the top, bottom, left, and right values, click OK to apply your custom margins. Your document will instantly reflow to reflect the new spacing. You may notice that line breaks shift and page counts change. That's normal when margins are adjusted. To confirm the new layout, you can glance at the on-screen ruler if it's visible, or switch to Print Preview to see how the page will look when printed. And that's it. Your document now reflects the exact margin sizes you set. If you want to tweak the numbers, just repeat the process and adjust the values. If something doesn't look right, use Undo to step back. With these steps, you'll have full control over your page layout and a clean, professional-looking document every time.